Well, hello everyone. It is late Sunday lunchtime. This is Tiffany Anderson with Anderson Therapeutics and my Aging Well channel. It is batch cooking day and I have gotten my shopping done. I just went to the farmer's market, had a very light breakfast, and I'm ready for food. Putting together some beautiful corn on the cob. This is fresh from the market. I put nothing on this other than a little bit of sea salt. I have some fresh sliced peaches, and then I had some leftovers in the freezer. I have some cauliflower, peas, and then I put in some greens. A little bit of black pepper on that. And that is it. I am saving the water because later tonight I'm going to be making some corn chowder. So I'm saving the broth. I will be saving the cobs to boil again to get the rest of that tasty corn flavor off of that. And I'll probably be sharing a photo of that. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Dine well. I will drop a link down in the corner showing some of my favorite foodie faves, and thanks for watching.